Hi guys, welcome back with another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix the CapCut compressing issue that many people are facing. So let's jump right into it without wasting any time. If you are having this problem where CapCut gets stuck or shows compressing errors, then this tutorial is definitely for you. So let's begin step by step. First of all, go to your phone settings. Once you're there, tap on Notifications and then click on See All Apps. From the list of apps, simply scroll down until you find CapCut and tap on it. Now, the important thing you need to do is make sure your CapCut app is fully updated to the latest version. After updating, go back to your home screen. At the end, press and hold your power button, and then choose the option to restart your device. Once your phone restarts, open CapCut again, and you'll see that the compressing issue has been completely fixed. So that's it for today's video. I hope this method works for you. If it does, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.